Big swell out here today, boys. I just got sick.
Yeah, I'm not doing well today on this sail.
Guys, I have a confession to make. Please tell me that you're gonna agree with me. Good morning, it's just before sunrise and we're leaving, I forget the place's name. It is extremely cold. We have a day and a half sail ahead of us. We're going to Mallorca. Check how beautiful it is this morning. Nice fresh pot of coffee. I think it's about very close to 0 degrees, and we're off to the races. Okay, the flag's one line got loose, so we just have to fix that. Luckily I have somebody with me that lived on a sailboat for 14 years. He's probably climbed the mast more than 1,000 times in his life. So it's nice to have somebody like that on the halyards. See how he's keeping himself on the halyard, like halyard down there, and then rest your foot and then push down on it. That's how you can secure yourself on the halyard, and then just hang on to the shrouds. Must I loosen it at the bottom?
Yeah.
Guys, I have a confession to make. Please tell me that you're gonna agree with me. If you don't, tell me why. I don't like foulies. Foul weather gear, I don't like wearing it. I've had Heli Hansen, I've had West Marine, I've had Tri-Board, and I've had Musto. And I feel like so uncomfortable in foulies. I always wear my ski jacket and jeans, and I understand they get wet. I know what foulies are for. Trust me, I've sailed many places, and I've been in cold weather like this. I've sailed it with foulies and I've sailed it with my ski jacket, and I always prefer a normal pants and normal ski jacket or jeans. Yes, when it gets cold, wet, you have no chance. I understand that, and if you sit somewhere, your butt gets wet. But my boats are not that wet because I don't sail it like that. But in any case, am I the only one that don't like wearing foulies? And is there a brand that's so comfortable that feels like a ski jacket? Please tell me. And then sometimes you have some, oh, there's a mast, something in front. We have to alter course. Shit, I hate it when I do that. Quickly, alter boat, alter. Ah, there we go. See that thing? Will go into your prop, and then you have to jump into this water and get it loose. Where are the dolphins? They left? Yeah. Aww. Oh, there's another one. There's a lot of these fishing buoys as we come out. I'm glad we didn't come out before the sunrise. Oh, those dolphins didn't like us that much. They just came, checked out our boat and left. Huh. It's like some women I've had in my life. They come, check it out, and then leave. It's a nice big head sail. We'll get a lot of speed with this one. We have about 14 knots of wind right now. So we're gonna put a little bit of cloth out, see if we can stabilize the boat. The swell is coming straight from our starboard bow, probably around where I'm aiming the camera now, at about 60 degrees of our bow, so it's a little bit uncomfortable, and with a sail you'll make the boat a little bit more stable. So let's go. Big swell out here today, boys. I just got sick. I don't really get sick ever. I don't remember the last time I got sick. Where's the sun? So yeah, well, gotta push through it. We're doing about 7 knots only on the head sail. We reefed the sail, but remember we put up the new big head sail, so we've got 140% sail. Got about 110% out right now, and the sea's big today. It's not a comfortable ride. It's not one of those sails that you tell people about so that they want to come sailing. Hope you're having fun. Look at that. Yeah, it's big out here. It's not comfortable, it's not fun. If you don't know what you're doing, you're gonna either hurt yourself or break the boat or something. So we're doing it as conservative as possible.
Nee. What? A little bit of someone dying.
Yeah, I'm not doing well today on this sail.
I can't remember when last I was so sick on the boat. I know now what I did wrong. I'll tell you later, but this almost makes it worth it to feel as sick as I was today. Okay, so the sun is almost setting. We put the mainsail out because the wind's supposed to die a little bit overnight, or die down rather. So we have 2 reefs in the mainsail, and we have about 1 reef in the headsail, and we'll see how we go like this. We're currently doing about 5.7 knots, so not too fast, but I'm trying to do it as conservative as possible because the wind can pick up and gust really, really bad here. How cold is it, Javis?
Really cold.
Woo! It is uncomfortable.
I like it, it keeps me awake.
Yeah, sure. You really?
Makes me feel alive. Reminds me that I'm still living, still breathing.
Good. Another sunrise. Another day. But I'm ready to get there now. This was a tough one. She is calm this morning, but last night, ooh, it was very, very busy. Well, that is Menorca, guys. We're gonna go into the east side of the island, and I've not been so happy to see land in a long time. It was a short passage, only 200 nautical miles, a day and a half sail, but it felt like 7. I'm happy to be there. I can't wait for a shower, maybe even a cold, ice cold beer. Thanks for coming on this leg. The next leg we're doing is to Barcelona, and that's going to be another 100 odd miles, and then we're done with this amazing passage, delivering this beautiful boat. Thanks for coming with me on this journey of me being a charter captain, doing deliveries, sailing as many boats as possible before I buy my next boat and sail the thing around the world. Yeehaw! As I say that with a hoarse voice because of all the puking last night. Amateur, you would call me. Guys, please remember that I do post a lot of quick tips, behind the scenes, uncut footage, stuff that's really meaty and fun on my Patreon page. You're on YouTube, I like to give you the highlights, some short snippets of the trips, and share some knowledge, but really the magic happens there on Patreon. So for those of you guys that want longer extended versions, more information, get involved in the questions, the answers, some live feeds and updates, please head over to my Patreon page and go enjoy it. Okay, enough of the marketing, let's go sail.